Welcome to my channel. Some time ago I made a video on how to wrap soap with paper with the use of this device, and also how I design the soap paper or soap labels with an online program called Canva. It's a very easy and user-friendly program that you can work with online on canva.com. There is also the smartphone application that you can download on your phone for free if you don't have a computer or you want to work on your designs on the go. Here you can find all types of designs that you can create, for example social media like YouTube channel art or Instagram posts, but also invitation cards, planners, logos, websites, business cards, even videos, and anything you can think of. Once you created something, it automatically saves on your personal account, so you have everything ready to go once you want to print it or modify it, etc. I designed, for example, some recipe cards for most of my YouTube projects with this program here, and also product labels that are available for the members of my Buy Me a Coffee page. They can simply download it there and use it for their own projects. Back to our Canva program, you can choose the type of design you want to make here with this menu, and it has even a lot of templates to make it easier for you, so you can create anything even if you don't have any design experience. I left a link down in the description if you want to check it out. There is a free version and a more extended paid version. Here are the new labels that I designed for my products in general, as I wanted to do a makeover to a more clean and minimalistic look. For the soap labels, I came up with the idea of having my ingredients and needed information on a round sticker, and I will show you the reason why in just a moment. Here are the soap labels, and I'm going to print it out on my laser printer. The link to the printer is also in the description, but the good thing about this design is that you don't need much ink, so even if you're using an ink printer, it is not only eco-friendly but also budget-friendly at the same time. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to print them. I can have two labels with one paper. And here are the printouts, although the light is really awful in here, so I'm going to take you with me to my workshop to have a look how I'm going to do the entire procedure of wrapping the soap. Here you can see some of my other products with the same style of label look to make everything more cohesive and minimalistic. These here are also paper labels that I made some time ago. There is a video up on my channel that I will also put down in the description. And the shrink wrap labels as an alternative, there's also a video how you can shrink wrap your soap. So here is the soap wrapping printout, and as you can see there are two on an A4 sheet with a little mark to help me see where I have to cut it. I had to figure out where exactly to put the text so it will show in the center front of the soap, and this depends of course on your soap size and your own wrapping style. To cut the paper, I like to use a trim and scoreboard from a company called We Are Memory Keepers. It is easy to store because you can fold it and then just put it away. You can also of course just use a scissors. This cutting board is very practical. It comes with a scale in inches and centimeters, so you can fold or cut your paper even if you are making crafts. So the paper is cut in half, and now we are ready for wrapping the soap. I like this tool here because I find myself a little bit clumsy with wrapping, and I know that many soap makers couldn't understand why this tool was necessary in the first place, but please realize that there are people who are not so gifted or maybe have some mechanical problems, and this tool is great for such situations. So that's the way how you fold the paper. You can use this little slide top here to hold the soap and the paper in place. Here are these stickers with the ingredients that I'm just gonna apply to the back of soap here to hold everything together. And this is how it turns out. Very easy and very budget friendly. I'm gonna do the same thing for another soap, Tropicana soap. By the way, you will find also this tool linked down below. So I'm placing the soap again so that I can put it in this tool here. And then I fold it a little bit like a birthday present. I apply the label in the back. And then I'm ready to go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in other soap related videos, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you around here very soon for another video, and in the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!